Okay, we're back. Union Pacific already.
That is a train.
Union Pacific 7853. Wait, I think I already caught that one. Union Pacific 7853. Huh. And also 745. No, 7485. 7.
Are you filming the train or my dash?
Oh, oops. I think I already caught that one. I think I already caught that one train. What? Interesting. Not a lot of trains here. All I saw was that Union Pacific. That's it. And
I'll turn around here.
I'm I want to see the other side. What's on this other side of rail?
There's some cars over
Yeah, I guess it's just some freight. Yep, that's just the freight. All we caught right now is a CSX that was outside the yard. And I guess here we go. Oh, there's a Union Pacific back there. I can't see it though. I don't see the number. It's just sitting back there. Oh wait, I think I see another train back there. I don't see. Or is it just a car? It's I am not sure. It might be another CSX. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, I think it might be some engine.